All right, so here we are on Saturday. We're going to be working on the ZL550. Figure out why it's got no spark. Had spark, lost spark. You all know the drill. Let's see if we've got anything at the plugs.
We got spark now. We got spark again. Spark like it?
Spark. Spark. That came up perfectly.
See how it's sucking bubbles there?
Yeah.
I noticed that the other day when we were messing with it. We lost spark completely though. I say we try to put this coil back on.
It should be that way.
Right by it for right now. Let's see.
Let's just see if we get spark.
Making fun stuff.
We got spark. Okay.
Let's pull that cover off. Well, that's the whole. That's what I use. It's easier to pull with this, but you're gonna have your coil on here, so I'm gonna pull the coil off.
Go ahead and extend them fill lines a little bit. We'll have a
Yeah, see, here's.
keep forgetting. Give me those. Little spray. Now try to start it back up like
It does pull them right up. Holy cow.
it's never run like that. I don't think it's ever ran like that.
Huh?
I don't think it's ever ran like that.
See a big skis up there? We're back there about that far out, right? Ripping, ain't it?
A lot better.
Yeah, dude. All right, my turn. Oh no, we're doing it like this. All right. All right, let's see. We're doing the granny style for a little bit. Oh my God, I gotta turn. something that just makes you smile. You're right, it does rip. For a 550, that's pretty quick, man. Well, I'd call that success, man. She actually had spark, just had a fuel problem. We'll call it all good. We're gonna go rip around a little bit more here, but as you can see, it's snowing up here in Wisconsin. And Travis and Patrick.
Right on, brother.
And I'm happy. Perfect. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a good night. Be good.